is up. Here we go.
So, do you speak or?
Oh! Oh!
So minty. So many marshmallows.
It's my family's secret recipe.
Oh! Ah!
There is something I have to tell you. Something even this can't conceal.
Nothing you can say.
Listen to me. I'm so sorry.
Yes,
I'm so sorry. You listen. I'm so bossy. I'm so sorry.
Should I go or goji berry extract? Goji berry extract. So, dinner? Actually, you don't have feet. I'll order in. Nobody's perfect.
Go rolling, everybody.
Okay.
Mom? Yeah, it happened again.